The RDL Insight X Energy Management Solution. The planet is heating up. Global warming is no longer a prediction, it's reality. Rising temperatures, melting glaciers, unpredictable weather. Our carbon footprint is growing every day. It's time to act before it's too late. Together, we can make a difference by reducing energy waste, by optimizing how we consume power, by tracking and managing every watt. Introducing the RDL Energy Management Solution, EMS. Real-time monitoring, intelligent insights, smart control and automation. RDL EMS platform enables industries and smart buildings to monitor energy usage, accurately assess energy costs, predict potential failures, and detect root cause anomalies, resulting in an 8% 10% improvement in energy efficiency. Achieve true sustainability with RDL's EMS Net Zero module, integrating renewables, smart storage, and real-time carbon insights to drive your journey to net zero energy. Reduce your carbon footprint. Achieve higher energy efficiency. Move closer to net zero. Let's build a cleaner, smarter, and sustainable future. Let's contribute today for tomorrow. The RDL Insight X Energy Management Solution. Connect and consult RDL Technologies today.